Hey, it's Shoki here. Just gonna do a quick video. I just got all my computer parts in, except for Windows 7. I'm just waiting for that to come in. Um, Building a computer pretty much for Star Wars, The Old Republic that's coming out in 46 days. Me making this video. So hope you guys like it. Went some pretty decent parts. Looking to build a powerful machine. So let's get started. Holding my camera up so it's not too stable, but first thing you notice is I got Intel Extreme motherboard DP67. Really good reviews, real stable. I got a total of 16 gigs of 1600 Corsair Dominator. Definitely went with the SSD. As you can see, 128 Crucial. Very stable system. Look up the reviews. It's really stable. Gotta love it. It's not as fast as ones on the market. Just a little bit more expensive, but really good reviews, real stable, and that's what you really want with a good computer. This right here is Western Digital, 750 gig, 64 megabytes of cache, SATA 3, 6 gigabyte second transfer rate. Not too crazy on that. Definitely went with the Core i7 2600K. Can't go without that. Cooling, it's going to be the H60 Corsair system. Don't burn a lot of CDs, don't do a lot of media, but definitely went with the Blu-ray disc combo. Nothing too special there. Went with the EVGA classified GTX 590. Badass system. Now I know there's a lot of hate, a lot of rivalry between the ATI and the NVIDIA. Personal preference, NVIDIA GeForce, so that was the only thing with selection there. So, but heard the ATI one's pretty good, but gotta go with NVIDIA. Powered my whole system, AX850 Corsair, fully modular. Gotta have a nice case, gotta go fully modular with that. Alright? Can't do that. And to top everything off, a CE Storm Enforcer, pretty badass case. Can do a lot of customization to it. I taped it all off and I painted the side gills of it like a metallic blue. All the fans in it comes with a 200 millimeter fan up top. I changed that. I put another 200 millimeter fan up top, and the back exhaust fan I changed it to a blue. They're all blue LEDs. I changed them all, and I have another fan that I bought that's waiting to be put in here, and that is going to be a push-pull configuration with the H60. It's going to be a badass system. So, and then I'll show you my screens. It's a little hard. I'm using my Logitech C190 cam. It's a really good camera. I'm loving it. I got a 27-inch Asus LED. Really nice system. Let's see if we get a shot in how skinny it is. It's pretty skinny. I really like it. Then I have my old Acer. It's just a 23-inch LCD. Really good color. You know, I just got the 27-inch, so the 23-inch, it did really good for what it was. I really liked it. So, keyboard-wise, you can see it pulsating here. Definitely went with the Razer Black Widow Ultimate. I love this keyboard. Macro on the fly, got lights, everything. It's a really nice board. You can put in gamer mode so you actually don't hit your Windows key in the middle of a game and get knocked out. My mouse, it's a really badass mouse. I love it. I think it's the Razer Mamba. I've had it for probably about a year. I love it. It's in great shape. It's lasted. It's never failed me wrong. If I run out of batteries, probably once in the past year, I just take this out and plug it in real fast. A lot of people say that it's hard to get the plug out, but there's a lock. There's a lock, like right there. That right there. You gotta unlock it, or else you're gonna just mess your mouse up, man. You gotta read the directions before you do bad reviews. So, and then definitely, let's see if I get a good shot of my mouse pad. the Razer Megasoma. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a really good mouse pad. I love it. It does not move. It does not move at all. My whole system is shaking right now, but it easily picks up and moves. But once it's flat, it's on a surface. This thing is it's good. It's good. Also got a pair of Astros. I know it's hard to see. Let's see if I can bust them out. Yeah, put them on here. Yeah, there we go. A pair of Astros. I've had these actually for about 2 years. I think they're the Astro A40s. Really good. Really good. I love them. You know, great sound. They've great quality. They've lasted, and I throw these things everywhere. People might hate me for that because they do cost a lot, but after 2 years of having them, you know, I'm waiting for the new Razer 7.1 surround sound to come out. As soon as that's out, definitely gonna upgrade the video card on my system to 7.1, and definitely get those. Those are pretty badass. So that concludes the video. Over on this side, I have my Xbox, which I don't use anymore. I don't know. I ran out of the subscription, and I didn't like Gears of War and Modern Warfare. Just, I don't know. Playing Battlefield right now on the computer. Just, that game's not made for the Xbox. Definitely for the computer. Got my Vizio 42-inch. Love it. And that's the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead and post as soon as I finish my computer build. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get my Windows 7 copy, so I can go ahead and put everything together, get it loaded up, and maybe I'll do some benchmarks for you guys, put it on, and see exactly how my system is running. Peace.